Are you allergic to peanuts? Well, according to some recent studies, roughly 2% of the US population has a peanut allergy. Peanut allergy is a complex and multifaceted condition that arises from the immune system's abnormal response to certain proteins found in peanuts. To fully understand why some individuals develop peanut allergies, we need to explore various factors that contribute to their development. In this video, we are going to talk about the multiple reasons why some people may have a peanut allergy. Genetics. Genetics plays a significant role in determining a person's susceptibility to allergies, including peanut allergies. If a person has a family history of allergies, they are at a higher risk of developing allergies themselves. However, the inheritance pattern is not straightforward, as allergies are influenced by multiple genes, each with varying degrees of impact on an individual's immune response. Early exposure. The timing of initial exposure to peanuts during infancy can influence the development of peanut allergies. For a long time, it was recommended to delay the introduction of peanuts to young children to prevent allergies. However, recent research has shown that early introduction, typically between 4 to 6 months of age, can actually reduce the risk of peanut allergies. This early exposure helps the immune system develop tolerance to peanut proteins rather than treating them as threats. Hygiene hypothesis. The hygiene hypothesis posits that reduced exposure to microbes and infections during early childhood can lead to an increased risk of allergies. This theory suggests that exposure to diverse microbes helps the immune system mature and develop appropriate responses to various substances. A lack of early exposure to these microbes might lead to an immune system that is more prone to overreacting to harmless allergens like peanut proteins. Environmental factors. Environmental influences such as pollution, diet, and lifestyle changes can impact the development and functioning of the immune system. Changes in these factors over time might contribute to the increasing prevalence of allergies, including peanut allergies. However, the specific ways in which these factors interact with genetics and immune responses are still being researched. Cross-reactivity. Cross-reactivity occurs when the immune system reacts to proteins that are structurally similar to those found in peanuts. Some individuals who are allergic to certain pollens or other legumes might be at a higher risk of developing a peanut allergy due to this cross-reactivity. The immune system mistakenly identifies the peanut proteins as similar to these other allergens, leading to an allergic response. Immune system dysregulation. Allergic reactions result from an immune system response that is out of balance. In allergies, the immune system treats substances like peanut proteins as harmful invaders, triggering an exaggerated response. Factors that contribute to immune system dysregulation, such as imbalances in immune cell populations or the release of certain signaling molecules, could play a role in the development of peanut allergies. In conclusion, peanut allergies are the result of a complex interplay between genetics, early exposure, environmental factors, immune system development, and cross-reactivity. While researchers have made significant progress in understanding these factors, the precise mechanisms that lead to peanut allergies in specific individuals are still being investigated. It's important for individuals with peanut allergies to work closely with healthcare professionals to manage their condition effectively and reduce the risk of accidental exposures that could trigger severe allergic reactions. It should also be noted that peanut allergies span a spectrum of severity. Mild reactions may involve itching or hives, while severe cases can trigger anaphylaxis, a life-threatening response marked by breathing difficulties and swelling. Immediate medical intervention and epinephrine are vital. Individuals vary in their sensitivity, some reacting to minute traces, others to larger amounts. It's crucial to carry medication and collaborate with medical professionals to manage the risk effectively. If you found the video informative, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to Keeping It Healthy for more health-related content.